What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change available time slot from to a service duration instead of a specific time slot. So how do you change this, guys? On the lower left hand side, you want to find settings and click on that. And from here, scroll down and you will find booking option right here, booking settings. Under booking settings, you want to scroll down and you will find option in the list that basically says client booking flow. Under the client booking flow, you scroll down and you will find the option in the list that basically says available time slot. And here you can see it is set right there to based on every 30 minutes. So this will increment, or you want to just switch this to based on the service duration. So if you create your own service and you set the specific time, then you can just use your service duration as the more accurate option instead of having the slots being basically occupied every 30 minutes, right? So that's how you can do it, guys.